Hello and welcome to another video of Spares and Repairs. I'm Gino, and here today we have a Ford Focus in for a full service and pollen filter change. So let's crack on with the video. Just like to thank everybody before carrying on with the video. Thank you for the people that have liked and subscribed and watching the videos. It means a lot. Thank you very much. So let's crack on with the video. Here's the car in question with 112,000 miles on the clock. So let's get going. These are the parts I'll be using here today. The old, in with the new, fresh. Just make sure that this ridge goes in between the two bottom lugs and the top lid lugs as well. Taken out already, and then the cold patch just pull out. Lucky enough these came out really easily. Some vehicles you may find difficult, but luckily enough this one was alright. Spark plugs are down there. Just gonna go and take them out now. Spark plugs are out now. I'll put two new ones just in hand tight. The way I do it is I just get a magnet and I put it on the top and I fish it down onto the thread. Hopefully get a couple of turns on it to keep it in there, and then lift out the magnet and the spark plug should stay in its position. Never drop the spark plug down into the holes, as it could ruin the electrode and ruin the spark plug. Boxed up the spark plugs. Now to go and drain the oil and change the filter. Engine under trays off the vehicle now. Used a T30 Torx bit to remove the under tray. This is where the bolts go into, all around the vehicle. T30. Now to drain the oil. I've cracked it off already. Oil filter will be replaced shortly. Yeah, just hopefully doesn't enter my receptacle here. So hopefully catch it and not go everywhere. Oil is drained now, as you can see here, no spills, thank God. Don't want to jinx it. Don't want to jinx it. So when I do the oil filter and oil goes everywhere. Now I've got the sump plug. In, and then torque to spec. Get that clean, and that's the oil drained. Come on. new oil filter. Already put a film of old oil on it. I'm gonna put it up hand tight. Give it a nice clean. And that's the oil filter done. Come on. Placing the pollen filter in this Ford Focus, and it's behind this metal bracket here. As you can see here, the compartment there. Right, to do this, you've got to take this control module stroke fuse box away to one side by releasing these tabs that go onto the plastic trim underneath the glove box, and then you've got to remove that bracket as well, where the tabs like this go onto it. Once that's removed, then you can get to the hole where the pollen filter is. What an awkward design. I'm sure there's worse places where pollen filters are on other vehicles and manufacturers. Please leave a comment below if you think this is the worst or there's worser ones. And just like that, put back in the reverse order. When this is all taken away, there's two 7mm bolts holding the lid on. Take the lid off, remove and replace pollen filter, and then put back in the reverse order. Tabs are all secure. And that's the end of the video. Spark plugs have been replaced, air filter's been replaced, oil filter and oil's been done, level's been corrected, levels are all good, tyre pressures are all good. Clean the engine bay. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.